I literally just felt like there was someone behind me, and there wasn't. But that's how this goes. Okay, so I don't have anything to hold this camera, but I feel like I want to channel a message. It's about lightning. Greetings to your beings. This is Saint Germain and the Arcturian Council. We are pleased to connect with you always and everywhere. We want you to know that there is nothing to fear in this illusory world. No harm comes if you do not remain. And you must become aware that there is so much fear that has been implanted into you around things that nature actually brought to cure you. Now, we are not saying that people should go out into lightning storms or into rain, but what we are saying is that you should consider that vibration is much more meaningful than statistics. And that if you are following your guidance and you feel in alignment, all will be well. And when you surrender to us, when you surrender to love and the higher vibrations, you will jump around this world like you're in a video game and winning. You will go from level to level with ease, like you already know the passwords and the challenges. So do not worry about the lightning or the rain. Do not worry about the bears in the woods or the sharks in the oceans. Do not worry. You have been taught much more fear than need be. You have been indoctrinated to believe in scary things. And what you do not realize is that through your fear of it, you create it. So again, for the purposes of the 3D world, we're not encouraging you to go out in any kind of storms. But for this being, we do encourage her to do that. And she's always listening to her feeling self and knows that we would alert her of any danger. But she has practiced and is in tune. She has walked to this beach 1,000,000 times. This is her home beach. And she can feel into the vibrations of the surrounding. And she trusts in her guidance. And that is what allows her to do what she can do. We love you all. We wish the best for you. We wish for you to enjoy this realm. Enjoy the separation. Do not be in fear. All is possible. We love you. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this video of me running up to the beach in the rain, and then I decided to bring through a little message. So, love you all. Love and light. Bye.